Hello friends, today we have x plus xy plus y that is equal to 19. Then we'll have to find the value of x plus y. And one thing it mentioned, that is when x and y are positive integer. So for solving this, we do not have to find the individual value of x and y. So we'll combinedly find the value of x plus y. Now look at here. From here, we can take x common. From these two, we'll take x common. Then the remaining here will be 1 plus y. And then after plus, and another value is y here, and that's equal to 19. Now for making this equation in the quadratic time form, we'll have to make this y into 1 plus y. So we'll add 1 in both the side, means left hand side and right hand side. So let's add 1. So here it is x outside, 1 plus y in the bracket, and plus we'll add 1 here. So it is y plus 1, and in the right hand side it is 19, and we'll have to add 1 in the right hand side. So now from here we'll take 1 front and y later. So this will be x, and here it is 1 plus y plus, and we'll write 1 first. So we'll write 1 plus y, and from these two we can take 1 common. So now if we'll 1 common, the remaining things will be same. So it is 1 plus y. In the right hand side we have 19 plus 1 will be 20. Now it is in the form of quadratic type. Now from both these two we can take 1 plus y common. So now we'll take 1 plus y common from these two. So it is 1 plus y in bracket. In another bracket it will be x plus 1. So it is x plus 1, and that is equal to 20. So here if you look at it, is x plus 1, and here it is 1 plus y. So we can write it as y plus 1. So we'll write first this. It is x plus 1, and it is multiplied by, we'll write y plus 1 here. Y plus 1, right? And that's equal to 20. Now we have two factors, x plus 1 and another factor is y plus 1, and the product of these factors is 20. So we can split 20 into factors. Now we'll split 20 into factors. So first we'll split 1 multiplied by 20. Here 1 and 20 are factors. Then another we can write 2 multiplied by 10. Then the multiplication of 2 of 10 is 20, and another we can write 4 multiplied by 5. So here we have written 1 multiplied by 20. Either we can write 20 multiplied by 1 also, 20 multiplied by 1. So both the cases the result will be 20. Similarly for this one we can write 10 multiplied by 2, and for here we can write 5 multiplied by, so these are the factors are x plus 1 and y plus 1. So these are two factors and their multiplication value of 20. Now for the first case, this is our first case, it is second, and this one is third case. Now for comparing first case, the value of either x plus 1 or either y plus 1 would be 1. Then the value of x will be 0, right? Now here we have mentioned that x and y are positive integers. So for the first case it is 1 we not take. Now for similar we can take here. If we'll take 20 multiplied by 1, then the value of this term will be 1 also. Then the value of y will also be 0. So here y is also positive integer, so we cannot take the first one. Now for second case, the value of either x plus 1 will be 2, either x plus 1 value will be 2, and value of y plus 1 will be 10. So either 2 or 10 or 10 or 2. Then we'll write it here. We'll have to find the value of x plus y combinedly. Now we'll add these terms, means we'll add the factors, means we'll write x plus 1 and plus another factor, that is y plus 1, and the value of x plus 1 here is 2, and we have added this second term, so the value of this is 10. Now from here we can take out x plus y. Now look at here, we can write it as x plus y, and 1 and 1 is 2, and the value of in the right hand side will be 2 and 10 is 12. So from here x plus y will be 12 minus 2 is 10. So x plus y for the second case we have calculated is, it is our one answer, that is 10. So one solution of x plus y here is 10. Now for the third case, either x plus 1 value will be 4 and y plus 1 will be 5. 4 or 5 or 5 or 4, the result will be same. Now we'll add these two factors, so the result will be x plus 1 plus, it is y plus 1, and in the right hand side we'll have 4 plus 5, right? Now x plus y, so here x plus y, 1 and 1 is 2. In the right hand side we have 4 plus 5 is 9. Now here the value of x plus y, that will be 9 minus 2 is 7. So x plus y for the third case is 7. So we have another answer, that is 7. So here we have calculated x plus y value. There is two answer, that is 10 and 7. These two is our answer of this problem.